In this video I'll show you how to use the regular ballpoint pen, which is this one with the cup. The cup is missing, I lost it somewhere. And then there is this one with the mechanical system, kind of doesn't really work very well anymore. So it's supposed to go inside. So for this one, if there is no pen coming out, you just have to press the button and it's coming out ready to use from there. So for this one, if it's not coming out, if the pen is not out, if it's inside like this and it has a button on this edge, you press on it and it will come out. You might, on some pens, you press down on this clip that is to attach to a shirt, and that could be the mechanism. I have a bit of tape, duct tape on this one, just to have it extra. And this is the most simple, the most basic pen with a refill inside. And if you actually need to remove the refill, it's a bit difficult on this one. But these pens, you can actually remove the, you can replace the refill on these pens. Change the pen, refill, just like that. Put a new one and get it working again. Or like this one, if it's a bit soft when it's bouncing back up, loosen the spring a bit, make it longer, just pull the ends like that and put it back in. And now it should be much more solid. When it comes back, it's much more clickier, much clickier. So let's try them. This is not about how to write, because I almost forgot how to write a pen. These days with the phones and computers, we don't really write anymore, but you still need sometimes to write a form or something. So it's always good to know how the pen works, that you press on the thing and you can extend it, replace the refill if it stops working. But let's see if this one still works. So this one is so you see, if it doesn't work very well, you can keep trying, keep moving it, and even go in circles like that. You can go in circles this way, and eventually it will start going. There is a ball here, this ball end, and it needs to start spinning. So this is the mechanical. So this is the ballpoint pen mechanical. I think this works pretty well. I didn't use it for some time, so that's why it was a bit stuck. This one might be the same. Maybe this one is going to be worse. So I'm going to go, oh, this works. Maybe I used it recently. Okay, so this is the simple yeah, so they both worked. They both work, and you can change the refills in this one much easier because it's just a refill, but this refill, it has a different shape on the edge here. So this might be a bit difficult to replace, but they both work. So that's how you use a ballpoint pen, even when it doesn't really work the first time. Thanks for watching.